Today we're going to talk about another surgery that's sometimes offered for people who have problems with vertigo or Meniere's disease. Hey, I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives for the last 17 years without drugs or surgery. Today I want to go over a surgery that's sometimes offered for individuals who are having problems with vertigo or Meniere's disease. Now this surgery is a bit complicated and it's really detailed, and it's called an endothelial drain shunt. So within the ear there is a tissue called endothelial tissue, and what they do is they have fluid-filled sacs that help with balance, they help with hearing, and they keep the ears full. However, sometimes those sacs don't drain properly, or there's a thought that they don't drain properly, and what shows up winds up being symptoms like vertigo or Meniere's disease. There's a surgery that they do where they open up your skull, they wind up going into these areas, and they put a shunt or a tube to keep those sacs unclogged in to allow for drainage to happen. Now, if you can imagine from the way that I described this is a pretty challenging surgery. Not to mention, when you look at the studies of the surgeries that have been done, the outcomes are not that outstanding. So, in my opinion, this is really not the most ideal thing to do. And if you're having problems with vertigo, you've got to go ahead and pick up some of the information we've shared below, or meet with someone who knows how to manage a condition like this non-surgically. You may also need to meet with surgical consultation people to manage it, but you've got to have a team of people who are working on this to figure out the right approach so that you can get back to life and not wind up with more complications. If you've had concerns, go ahead and click on the information below where you can find one of our cheat sheets to help you get back to life and get out of the vertigo spins and doing the things you want to do. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.